Hello students, welcome to BRSD College. Our today's topic is the risk management. Risk management usually comprises the following actions taken by the company, banks, organizations or industries. First one's to plan and control for those areas where bad debts chances are high. Second, planning and controlling those assets which are going to be liquidated. Third, planning and controlling those activities which are going to be converted into default. Fourth, planning and controlling of those instruments whose value is going to be appreciated or decrease against our unexpected values. So friend, that is not I think the circumstance, and that is the problem of that I should try to enclose all those facts which creates one of the type of risk. Here risk is the uncertainty of the events, uncertainty of the amount, uncertainty of the action, uncertainty of the policy, uncertainty of strategy that can usually occur in our areas, and it is our priority to manage the risk in such a way, in such a methodology, so that risk can be managed in the proper orders and our company may progress and the rate of the profitability may increase. Okay, thanks a lot.